Rajnath Singh also sending out the message of the importance of yoga, performing yoga there. And Army Jawans, and we'll put that picture out as well for our viewers, performing yoga in Ladakh essentially at Pangong So, where defense personnel are also performing yoga. Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, also performing yoga. The message being sent out, importantly, Manisha, we've been talking about it, is that this is something that everyone can do. Pictures of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh coming in from Mathura in Uttar Pradesh, and it's being popularized across the country. Expect this to continue in the next few years or so, as year after year we commemorate International Yoga Day. I'll also try to go back to my colleagues once again. Surya Agni continues to be with us from Kolkata, where we saw a symphony of yoga and music on the left side of his screens. A defense personnel again performing yoga on board the INS Vikram Aditya. On the right side of your screens, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh from Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. What are you showing us next as far as some important postures? Not very difficult?
Yes, so I think I would like to show you postures which can help strengthen the body.
Right.
So as we grow older, a lot of people get a hip injury, and that's about 60 to 70% because they fall, they don't have balance. And once that happens, it's very difficult to come back from it.
It's because of degeneration of the muscles, essentially.
Yes, so I want to talk about asanas which help you really build the muscle around your very important joints.
Okay.
So first is going to be balance. So for balance, we're going to do the tree pose. Tree pose is simple, but it needs a little bit of balance. So in case you don't have the balance, use a wall.
Support the wall.
Use a support, or start from here. So as I said, yoga is for everyone, so it doesn't have to be complex. If you can't do the tree pose, start from here. Keep the foot right under your knee. If that's easy, then you take it up and place the knee into your inner thigh. 1 second, to the other side. And once you find the balance into that, you'll be dancing a little bit.
Not very easy.
Then you take the hands up and you stay here. So as I said, you can take support of a wall to start with, but you do this multiple times in a day. It helps build a good balance in your body from head to toe. So you can do this both sides and do this often. So I like to even stand like this at times in my house. So, also I tell my mother that you please try and stand on one leg. Because as you grow older, you kind of lose the balance, and then you don't have the strength. The other one that we're going to do is...
Has this got something to do with the core as well?
Of course, yes.
Right?
Balance comes from the core muscles. If your core is strong, then your balance is going to be very good.
Right.
So let's do the warrior pose, again for knees. So this particular joint becomes very susceptible as we overuse it. We sometimes underuse it. So we want to get all the muscles here very strong so you can walk, run, or do whatever you want for a longer time. So for this, we're going to do a warrior pose. You take the right leg.
Look at you.
Yeah, you take the right leg forward. You take the left leg back, but it's also 90 degrees. You look forward. And now you take your hands up, bend that knee. And now you stay here. Head back, look towards your thumb. Again, make sure you're breathing and try to go as deep as you can. But you don't have to.
Can't bend your knees. You could definitely...
No, you can't bend your knees in this, so you don't have to go all the way down. You stay wherever is good for you. Your back foot needs to be flat on the floor, so it's a little bit more grounded. And now, stay here. So first you do this for a couple of breaths. I like to start with 10 breaths and then slowly build it up for a little longer. And then you go into warrior 2, so where your body starts facing forward and your hands come here. You look towards the hand in front, your front knee is still bent.
Okay.
Now you'll notice it starts working in your inner thigh.
It does.
So once you bend it, you start getting more opening in the hip flexor. And now you take your hand and look towards the front hand, which is your future. So yoga talks a lot about your gaze. Your gaze defines where you're looking. You're looking at your past, you're looking at a future, and being in the present.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Yes,
I think
it
the
is.
concept is just so beautiful.
It is.
It's just so much more about just fixing your posture and being flexible, isn't it?
Exactly.
We'll just come back to you, Manisha. In fact, Minister Kiren Rijiju is addressing.
पूरे
Let's
विश्व
take a
ने
listen.
एक्सेप्ट किया। आज 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के रूप में, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा, इस रूप में मनाने का जब से निर्णय हुआ यूनाइटेड नेशन के द्वारा, पूरा विश्व में, जैसे अभी हम लोग भारत में कर रहे हैं, आज सुबह लगभग 3-3.5 घंटे पहले जापान से शुरू हुआ, न्यूजीलैंड से, फिर ऐसे करते अभी भारत में, फिर मिडिल ईस्ट, यूरोप, फिर साउथ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका करके पूरा विश्व में एक साइकिल 24 घंटे में पूरा विश्व योग को अपनाते हैं। वैसे तो योग सब करते हैं डेली, लेकिन एक सेलिब्रेशन के तौर पर आज 21 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के रूप में मनाया गया है। हमारे माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स मंत्रालय ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से आज का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस का चयन किया जगह। अब देखिए, ये बहुत ही उपयोगी हमारा दृष्टि से और दुनिया की दृष्टि से, बुद्ध भगवान का प्रतिमा और यहाँ उनका सिंबल सब लगे हुए हैं, और जो गेट आप देख रहे हैं, अशोक सम्राट के जो सिंबल है गेट, सारा, तो इस माहौल में योग करने का फिर अलग महत्व है। आज प्रधानमंत्री जी श्रीनगर कश्मीर से संदेश दे रहे हैं दुनिया को। इसी प्रकार से हर एक व्यक्ति अपने अपने घर में भी या सामूहिक रूप से भी, इट इज अ मोमेंट टू सेलिब्रेट। वी डू योगा एवरी डे at appropriate time, appropriate location, but to celebrate together, come together and do it in a very coordinated manner gives a very different kind of feelings. So I wish everyone a very happy and healthy International Day of Yoga.
So you spoke about PM Modi being in Srinagar. Do you think it sends a strong message also because of what the state has seen in the last few days?
No, you see, as I told you, yoga is a
All right, so you heard from Union Minister Kiren Rijiju talking about the importance of yoga, and everybody should be doing it. Do it at home or do it along, with a group of people, your friends, your family. The theme this year also, Manisha, has got to do with yoga and the entire society benefiting from it.
Yes.
Talk to us a little about that as well.
So, yes, the theme is yoga for self and society. And so, as we've been talking so far, it's for everyone, it's inclusive. And I think even in my house, everybody does yoga, but they all do their form of yoga.
Yes.
Right? So my mother does her form, my dad does his form, and even our dogs do their form. But
Dogs?
Yes.
I know pup yoga is a thing now. We in fact had some pictures also
Yes.
of dogs doing yoga just a few moments ago.
Yes, and I do my form, but what I think is that you can actually come together and help each other stretch out, release tension in the body,
Yes.
and actually go deeper into stretches. So, and this can be done with everyone, and with your parents, with your siblings, with your spouse. So it's a practice which also gets you together as a community.
Right.
So it's more bonding because you are helping each other, you're kind of engaged in an activity. So again, yoga is just not about asanas, it's about the holistic approach to community, society, the way you bond with others, the way you present yourself, everything. So it's a holistic approach.
We'll also just in fact put out those pictures coming in from Srinagar city, because we know that it's raining there. Mir was telling us about the fact that it's in fact raining there, and there is in fact a delay also. Remember, the Prime Minister was to perform yoga a while ago. We'll try and get a word from Mir in a moment from now. In fact, we have some reactions also coming in. Let's take a listen.
योगा के लिए आपको खुली खुली जगह चाहिए। आपको एक दूसरे के बीच में जो है कम से कम 7 से 8 फीट का डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए। तो इस जल्दबाजी में क्या प्लान बी था वो देखना होगा, कितना जल्दी वो इम्प्लीमेंट होगा। लेकिन जैसे आपने कहा फंक्शन जरूर होगा, ओपन में नहीं होगा, लेकिन अब अंदर होगा। SKICC की जो है बहुत बड़ी एक फैसिलिटी है, उधर अंदर छोटे छोटे हॉल्स हैं, एक बड़ा ऑडिटोरियम है, लेकिन ऑडिटोरियम में जो है सीट्स हैं, तो उनको हटा के जो है इसे जगह बनाना अभी मुश्किल लग रहा है। तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो छोटे हॉल्स हैं SKICC के अंदर, वहां पे जो है जल्दी में इसका प्रबंध किया जाएगा और ये फंक्शन किया जाएगा। लेकिन डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, दुखी है लोग, क्योंकि पहली एक उनके लाइफ में एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी जहां उनको प्राइम मिनिस्टर से साथ जो है योगा करने का मौका मिलता। यहां स्टूडेंट्स थे और काफी एक्साइटेड थे, 2 दिन से इसकी तैयारी हो रही थी, लेकिन जो जिसको आप कहेंगे रेन गॉड जो है, बारिश के अलग प्लान्स थे और कहीं ना कहीं जो है इस फंक्शन को बड़ी बुरी तरह इंपैक्ट किया है। जी
getting us those details from Srinagar, talking to us about the difficulties as far as the logistics are concerned, given that it's raining there and the Prime Minister's event seems to be delayed a little because of the problems vis-a-vis the rains in the city. It remains to be seen how all of this is reorganized.